Alright, breaking the box, 2007 Bowman Sterling football. There was a box loader I had to bust open last night. Got a matte one gold auto. Talco gold auto. Supposed to be one rookie. See what we get. David Harris rookie auto, sealed to 199. John Lee Higgins jersey. Jason Taylor jersey. Joe Thomas autographed jersey, sealed, $1.99. Calvin Johnson jersey. Plaxico Burress jersey, sealed to $1.99. Chris Henry autograph jersey. Brandon Jackson rookie jersey. It's going straight into the PC. Plaxico Burress jersey, sealed to $1.99. Roy Hall, rookie auto. Antonio Pittman jersey. Omicron Bolden two-tone jersey card. Jude Tate looks like a refractor type, sealed to $1.99. Paul Williams jersey, rookie. Rayshon Mathis, sealed to $1.99, refractor jersey, two-tone, white and blue. Craig Davis, rookie auto. Trent Edwards, jersey. And Joseph Adai, jersey. Looking through the rookies that I pulled out here. Prescott Burgess, Joe Staley, Chancey Stuckey, Courtney Taylor, Ramsey Robinson, Brett Ratliff, Derek Stanley, Brandon Merriweather, Jonathan Wade, John Beeson, Bernard Jackson, Joe Staley. Thanks for watching. This play is brought to you by MasterCards81, TradingCardCentral.com. Boxes provided by Pittsburgh Sports Wholesale, PGHSportsWholesale.com. See both the watermarks on the video. Thanks for watching.